Hi guys, welcome to this self-learner channel. In this video, I'll teach about Python. Many of the guys, you know about Python, right? Okay, let us discuss briefly. Python. First of all, what is Python? Python is one of the programming language. We know that, right? And it is one of the high-level programming language that we are using in our real-time scenarios. And also it is one of the top languages in widely using. Let us see some more important things in Python. Okay, currently we are using Python 3 series. Before that we used 2 series. Actually it was ended in 2020. After that we are using 3 series. Okay, why Python is so much has craze in market means it is easy to learn, and also it is an universal language. Universal language means we are using in different types of sectors, different types of domains. What are those domains? Are VLSI, storage, data science, and banking, networking, yeah, and also Python has a strong community. And also development cost is also less. And also having huge external libraries, and it is a free source. We can use it from free. And it is also platform independent. That means the code is same with the different OS like Windows, Linux, Mac, like that. In further videos we can discuss more about Pythons. I will discuss data types in further video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Hope you like it. Thank you.